Okay, today I'll be shooting my 177 caliber rifle. It's it's a model 177 TG1 Swiss Arm. I'll be using these Russian pellets, exploding pellets on the target, the wood. This is the name of the pellets from. Let's see how it does. I'll be shooting that 2x4 standing up. One shot. Two shots. Three shots. Okay, let's see what those plastic pellets did. Well, looks like it penetrated the wood. Okay, I'll take a few more shots. And that's the pellet rifle right there. Swiss Arms TG1. And the Russian pellet. Right, let's try again. Okay, that's it for my Russian exploding pellets, 177 caliber. And thank you for watching. Bye.